family loves fall, and with it comes all things pumpkin spice. So we are making today
Pumpkin Spice Cheerios!
What do we need?
We need Pumpkin Spice Cheerios. We also need Pumpkin Pie Spice. We need butter, white chocolate,
And marshmallows!
Add 4 tablespoons of butter.
Go ahead, add it. And then half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. What do we do next?
Then melt it all together in the microwave for 2 minutes.
Making sure to mix every 30 seconds.
Add 6 cups of Pumpkin Spice Cheerios.
It's gonna get gooey and sticky, and you're just gonna keep working it until you work it all in. What else do we need to add?
We also need to add some white chocolate chips.
Okay, go ahead. Just about half a second. That's good. They make these videos just so they can eat through them.
Maybe.
Grease a baking dish. And then press your mixture into the casserole dish. Pro tip. I recommend spraying your hands with the cooking spray and pressing in the mixture with your hands. It makes it a lot easier. Otherwise, you will be a gooey mess. Let your treats cool, then cut them into squares and enjoy. But first,
please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
delicious. There are no loss for words. We'll see you next time. Bye. So today we're making You don't know what we're making today? The whole video is about
Pumpkin Spice Cheerio treats. Okay, got it. 1 bag of marshmallows. Should I say Pumpkin Spice Cheerios?
You can, or do you want to do the marshmallow last?
Let's do the marshmallows. Ooh. Wow.
Then cut them into squares and enjoy. There are always droids in this house. Droids everywhere.
That's good.